When in Rome, well, Rome City, you must check out this ranch-style home that's situated on a beautiful and spacious lot that offers 0.57 acres with a bonus lot for a garden, storage, and more. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home brings you 1,868 finished square feet, plus 1,568 square feet on a huge unfinished basement with 8-foot ceilings and a gas wall heater. Ready for you to make your own. As you enter the home, you'll immediately notice the new vinyl plank flooring that is beautiful and easy maintenance. The large living room windows bring in tons of natural sunlight to brighten the space and your mood. Oh, and a ceiling fan to keep a nice breeze flowing. The master suite is spacious and provides you with double closets, double sink vanity, makeup counter, a soaking tub, and a separate shower, and all 3 bedrooms provide you with a ceiling fan. The kitchen has a great little breakfast bar for a quick bite to eat, plus the eating area for a great sit-down meal at the end of a day. From there, head on out to the bonus room with built-ins, ventless fireplace, and tons of window light. And let's not forget the laundry room. It's spacious and offers a large sink, cabinets, and countertop area to make laundry day a breeze. You'll love spending time on the deck overlooking the serene landscape and mature trees. This home will give you an attached 2-car garage that walks right into the spacious laundry room. Don't wait another minute. Call Candace Everidge to see it today.